Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the SideChef mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a practical tool for cooking and meal planning. SideChef is available on iOS and Android and provides users with step-by-step recipes, voice-guided instructions, meal planning tools, and grocery list generation. It also integrates with some smart kitchen devices, offering a hands-free cooking experience. Users can filter recipes by dietary needs and ingredients, making it easy to find meals that fit personal preferences. One of the biggest strengths of SideChef is the variety and clarity of its recipes. The voice guidance and visual steps make cooking more accessible, especially for beginners. The app also helps streamline shopping by converting selected meals into a grocery list. However, there are cons to consider. Some users find that the portion estimates can be inaccurate, resulting in leftover food or not enough servings. The app includes some premium content that requires payment, and certain features feel locked behind the subscription. Additionally, while integration with smart kitchen tools is innovative, setup can be buggy and frustrating, especially for first-time users. The app may also load slowly on older devices, affecting usability. Overall, SideChef is a versatile app for meal planning and learning to cook, but users should be aware of potential issues with performance, subscription content, and device compatibility. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.